Hey artists, how you doing? Welcome to day 14, Monster 14. We're going to be making let's see, what do I want to make today? I think I'm going to go with a floating blob monster. We're going to need some floating blob shapes all over the page. And this guy's floating in outer space. Or she could be a blob of a monster, right? I think that looks pretty good for starters. And each blob monster component is going to be comprised of an outline. Keep it wet. And while it's still wet, we're going to come back with that wet on this side. Some wet on wet technique. Faster than that, Mr. Reinhold. Come on. There we go. Here we go. Now we're going to take a green and a light green, or a dark green actually, and we're going to go around and make these stand out. Now we waited a few minutes to make sure that the surface of the water were dry, right? So make sure that's dry. So that's a little wet though, so we're going to be careful. I think we'll go with a little purple to outline some of these. Strong edge. That's water-based marker. It should start to flow into. There we go. It's getting a little darker on the edges. Work that water in there. Let's see how effective this is. The water? Blob monster now needs some kind of way to see where he's going. So we're going to add one eye. Here we go. Alien highlights all the way through. There you go. One floating alien blob monster. I'm liking this guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.